New Year and Christmas Eve are coming soon. It's time of miracles, home comfort, and of course, postcards. There are lots of options in the postcard stores, but it's really sweet to get handmade postcard as a present. Which means person spent time to give you part of his soul. Hi, I'm Marina. I'm an artist and illustrator, and today I'm really excited to make handmade Christmas postcards together with you. I do like handmade stuff. And I'm really inspired by art history. So, one day I decided to combine it. In this Skillshare class, we are going to make 5 Christmas postcards, inspired by great artist paintings and different art styles. You can send them to your friends or family after. I will show you the idea how to be inspired by art history, and later you can make as many beautiful postcards as you wish. So, take your art supplies, your imagination, and let's get started.